This is a demonstration video of Ogun's patented supercell load cells. We are the leading Chinese-based load cell provider, contributing to more than 3,000 bidirectional tests around the world annually. Featuring reliability, precision, and cost-effectiveness, our supercells are the perfect solution for your large load pile testing needs. To initialize utilization of these cells, they are to be precasted with concrete on both sides, depending on the cell type. This is done to make sure the load may be well applied onto the pile. Next, the supercell set is welded onto the base frame, preparing to be put into the rebar cage. Diagonal reinforcement guides are also welded onto the rebar cage to guide the tremie pipe to be lowered and for smoothing the load distribution on both sides of the cell. Separate telltale rods are installed on the upper and lower portions of the supercell to measure upper and lower displacement. Hydraulic hoses are then attached to the load cells. These hydraulic hoses may be filled with the conventional oil or with water. This is extremely useful for environmentally sensitive projects like bridges. Strain gauges are then installed, depending on the soil strata, for measuring shaft friction distribution. Now the pile is lowered into the soil and is ready to be filled with cement through the tremie pipe. The cone-shaped lower portion of the supercells are able to push the sediments underneath, facilitating smoother concrete flow. Once the pile is filled, cell pressurization is commenced, and the jacks inside will create a displacement. The data collector will record the load, displacements, and strain readings for engineers to interpret. If the pile is a working pile, the cavity created by the pile displacement can be grouted through the telltale tubes upon completion of the test. The upper pile element is good for uplift resistance, while the complete pile is good for vertical compression. Ogun Technology, loading worldwide piles to success since 2005.